So hello guys, I'm sharing something with you people like how I managed to travel in train during COVID-19. Yeah guys, I have traveled in train from Mumbai to Hyderabad by Hussain Sagar COVID-19 special superfast train. So most of the question will be arising in your mind. Like, can we travel during COVID-19? Is traveling safe during COVID-19? Can we prefer traveling in train during COVID-19? Does railways taking all precautionary measure during COVID-19? Can we maintain social distance during train traveling? I know most of the question will be arising in your mind. In this video, I'll be sharing my experience like how I managed to travel in train during COVID-19.
So after 4 months I traveled into the train from Mumbai Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj terminals to Hyderabad by Hussain Sagar Superfast COVID-19 special train. So when you enter railway station you will see such marking for maintaining proper social distancing at railway station. And when you enter railway station your body's temperature will be checked and compulsorily you have to install Arogya Setu app into the phone. And what I've observed ki train traveling has completely changed during this pandemic. And when I enter into my coach, I disinfected my seat by surface disinfectant. Most of the surface disinfectant are available into market of Lifebuoy, Dettol, Savlon. Railway is taking all safety precaution in disinfecting the train, but it's our duty to disinfect our seat because safety is the highest priority while traveling during pandemic. I was wearing face mask, face shield and gloves, and I was also carrying my own thermos to avoid someone's contact while purchasing tea or coffee. So guys, train traveling has completely changed during pandemic. The railway is taking all safety precautions. First they are washing the trains at every major stations and then they are disinfecting the trains by using sodium hypochlorite disinfectant. The traveling has completely changed due to pandemic. Sanitization is done by railways and at every major station the washrooms are being cleaned and disinfected properly to avoid the spread of COVID-19 in the train So guys, my travel experience during pandemic was good. Railway is taking all necessary safety precautions, but it's also our duty to maintain safety because others' safety also depends upon us.